In this video, we go over the steps on how to install a newly connected printer in Windows 10. Bear in mind that permissions may be required to install some printers. Printers that are connected to a network and turned on should be easily recognized by Windows, but make sure your printer and PC are connected to the same network. Click on the Windows Start button, then go into Settings. Select Devices, then Printers and Scanners. Now click on Add a printer or scanner. The system will do a search, and any like devices will populate. Look for the name identified with the printer you want, and select Add Device, and it will start connecting. Afterwards, just follow the instructions. If your printer doesn't appear on the list, select The printer that I want isn't listed, and then follow the steps to add it manually using the options. For a new wireless printer that has yet to be added to your home network, refer to its instruction manual and check the manufacturer's website for additional installation details. If you still need help or have questions, contact us on Facebook or Twitter. You can also visit the Dell Community Forum to join in a chat and share info with other Dell users. Check out our other tips and tutorials on this channel and become a subscriber today. If you like this video, give it a like, and thanks for watching.